Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is, today is 30th chicken noodle leftover soup. Today is the 30th of the month of September, and this is the last dinner of this month. This soup is very easy to make. It is nothing more than two chopped up hot dogs, 1 can of carrots, 1 can of corn, 2 cans of chicken noodle soup from Campbell's. All put together with a little bit of normal house spices like salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit to taste. This is the easiest meal that you can make from the food banks on the last day of the month. As you can see, it is fresh and is steaming. That means it was just made. I ask everybody to like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out, and we love you all. See you in the grocery stores on the 1st of the month. Love you all. Peace.